This is Keith Hermance with your Farmers Cooperative Market Update. Corn was down 15.5, beans were down 16.5, and wheat was down 7 for the week as pessimism for next Tuesday's crop report continues. What we've seen is continued short funds there in the marketplace as pessimism for next week's report continues to damper with good weather conditions as well as the increased opportunities of acres planted as well as yields. No weather issues has also led to a little bit of pessimism here, as for the most part what we've seen is a great opportunity for rains throughout the territory here, and the lack of weather events, tornadoes, hail, and otherwise that could affect production issues. So far as we go into it, no issues like we had last year where we saw a spike in prices due to the flooding that was going throughout the territories here. Nothing so far, or at least in the nearby forecast, can have a damper on those outlooks right now. On top of that, the possible second wave of COVID-19 threatens the marketplace there a little bit, as we saw fear in the stock exchange as well as with the local crop prices here. You've seen those numbers start to increase in large states, California, Texas, as well as Florida going forward here. So definitely something we can keep our eyes on as we move throughout the coming weeks here. With the pessimism regarding the USDA report, something to definitely look into is some different marketing options here, whether it's buying a put for your fall delivered commodity here, something to set a floor for it so that way going forward, at least you have a little bit of an opportunity here to hopefully protect yourself if there are any losses incurred. In regards to the USDA crop report, one thing to keep in mind here is we've seen about a 15-cent difference here as far as prices going down after this report. So it's definitely something to look forward to when the fireworks start to pop off a little bit after this report happens. Something to obviously look to is making sure that you have your puts in place to hopefully protect against the downside. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to call myself here in the Dorchester office at 402-946-2211. And again, this is Keith Hermance with your Farmers Cooperative Market Update.